Two e-commerce platforms you've definitely heard of, but which one truly delivers? On the left, WooCommerce, the flexible WordPress powerhouse. And on the right, Ecwid, effortless commerce for any site. Let's skip the sales copy and dive into what actually matters. Each category gets its own score, so by the end, you'll know exactly which one comes out ahead. The answer might just surprise you. Alright, here's how we're gonna slice it. We're looking at pricing, customization, ease of use, integration and multi-channel features, scalability, SEO and content options, security and maintenance, extensions and add-ons, and finally, support. It's a lot, but trust me, every point matters. Okay, first up, pricing. Let's start with WooCommerce. It's technically free, that's cool, right? But don't get too excited. You'll need to pay for hosting, and honestly, some plugins cost more than my monthly coffee budget. So while you only pay for what you need, it can add up if you want all the bells and whistles. Now Ecwid, oh, this is simple. You get clean monthly plans with no Ecwid transaction fees. Entry price, much lower, easier to budget. The catch, no free plan these days. You start at about $5 a month, and yeah, extras do climb in cost. But for most folks, Ecwid's pricing is just easier to predict. Subtle flex here, Ecwid kinda takes the win for affordable and straightforward pricing. Next, let's talk customization. WooCommerce is wild, like 1,000 plugins, deep API, you can basically mold it into whatever Frankenstein shop you want. Unlimited control, but a heads up. You'll need some technical chops, and honestly, setup can get kinda confusing. Ecwid, well, it's more like plug and play. Basic theming, API access, and you can toss it onto just about any site. But if you want wild checkout flows or a tricked-out process you'll hit some limits. WooCommerce is the winner for all-out customization. Seriously, if you want to tinker, it's your playground. Let's jump to ease of use. WooCommerce, this one's for the WordPress crowd. There's a guided install, especially with WooExpress, but if you're not comfy with plugins and updates, it can get kinda messy. Beginners might be scratching their heads. Ecwid, honestly, wow, it's a breeze. Guided setup, no hosting headaches, perfect for folks scared of tech. Less back-end control, sure, but if you want zero hassle, this is it. And yep, Ecwid is the clear champ for ease of use. Oh, and quick trivia for you, did you know Ecwid actually stands for e-commerce widget? Yep. Started as a way to sling products from any site, nothing more, nothing less. Moving on to integration and multi-channel features. WooCommerce was born for WordPress. You want to sell everywhere, you'll probably need to hunt down some extensions. Ecwid though, oh, and here's something cool, it's just a widget. WordPress, Squarespace, Wix, plain HTML doesn't matter. Plus it's got built-in multi-channel so you can push products onto your site's socials, even dabble in some marketplaces. The winner here, Ecwid, for its drop-in flexibility and bouncy multi-channel game. Scalability time, WooCommerce is, well, legendary. Massive stores, enterprise level, as far as your hosting will take you. You want global? You got it, just bring a good server. Downside, yeah, scaling takes actual expertise and sometimes a caffeine IV. Ecwid's awesome for small or medium catalogs, and it vibes with the headless trend, so you can drop it in, but big, complex shops might hit a ceiling. Winner, this one's WooCommerce if you're dreaming big. Now let's talk SEO and content. WooCommerce, powered by WordPress, is basically the king here. SEO plugins, blogging, crazy marketing extensions. You'll need to set up a few plugins for max results, but the tools are endless. Ecwid, it's got solid built-in options, covers basic SEO and email, and setup is dead simple. But blogging, not really its thing. Advanced SEO, meh, not so much. Winner, pretty obvious. WooCommerce takes it for content and SEO. Security and maintenance. WooCommerce gives you full control, your server, your store, your call. You can go nuts with custom security, but also all updates and PCI stuff, that's on you. Ecwid is SaaS, so it handles security and updates for you out of the box, PCI DSS ready. You do have to trust Ecwid to keep their side locked down, but for most people, the stress is gone. Ecwid wins this category by making life just plain easier. Extensions and add-ons, oh boy, WooCommerce is stacked. Thousands of plugins, official and third-party. Seriously, if you dream it, someone probably built it. It can be kinda overwhelming, and some add-ons cost, but the marketplace is wild. Ecwid has an app market for extras, and it's super easy to install, but honestly, it's smaller. Less variety, fewer crazy features. Winner for sheer add-on power, that's WooCommerce all the way. Last one, support. WooCommerce, huge community forums, good luck finding answers to every weird problem. Paid support is there, but not for free users. Ecwid, if you're paying, you get dedicated support. Email, live chat, which is great. Sometimes help depends on your plan, but overall, you get more hands-on assistance. Ecwid grabs the win for support, making it way easier to get unstuck fast. So after all that, where do things shake out? Ecwid shines for beginner friendliness, pricing, and support. WooCommerce dominates customization, scalability, and SEO, but you gotta be ready to roll up your sleeves. Okay, bottom line, if you want to launch your store fast, keep things simple, and sleep easy knowing updates are handled, go Ecwid. But if you're dreaming of unlimited tweaks, top-notch blogging, and monster-sized shops on WordPress, WooCommerce is still the king. Think this helped clear things up? Stick around for more real talk comparisons. You know you want that next hot tip.